Hello friends, how are you? How are you all? I hope everybody is well and I am also good. And you know I am MD Amul Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Sunday, 16 May 2021. This Sunday morning I walked in village riverbank area. Now I staying in village river side area. You can see behind my back village river, beautiful nature area, all in all beautiful place. Friends, this morning, Sunday morning, I walked there and I see here is some polluted garbage. So now I collected that garbage and that garbage threw in the dustbin. So friends, let's go cleaning now start. তো বন্ধুরা রবিবার সকালে এখানে হাঁটতে এসেছিলাম নদীর তীরে প্রকৃতির মাঝে প্রকৃতির সৌন্দর্য উপভোগ করতে এসেছিলাম। এখানে হাঁটার সময় আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত আবর্জনা দেখতে পেয়েছি, এগুলো আমি এখন পরিষ্কার করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Hence this village river side, I see here is some plastic polythene, this plastic this plastic bottle, this plastic very bad for our nature and our environment. So I collected this plastic unused product bad condition cigarette pack. I collected just this unused product. Friend, stop this dirt and collected another dirt. Let's go. I see here is a plastic bottle in river water. Now I collected that plastic bottle. Fish. This plastic very bad for our river water. So I collected this plastic bottle. Riverside area. Insect. This পলিথিনটি বালির নিচে আটকে ছিল, এটি আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। ভেরি ডার্টি। Another unused product here. I collected this, and this is very dangerous product, I think, in riverside. Very green nature here in riverside. I see another plastic bottle here. This plastic bottle, you can see this product. I collected this unused and bad product plastic. Another plastic unused product, plastic bottle, small plastic bottle. Dirty plastic here, very dirty. I collected this dirty plastic. Another plastic here. I collected all dirty product, plastic bag here. Another plastic here. I collected this is very bad product. Friends, my cleaning mission is finished. I collected very bad, dirty, unused product, plastic, etc. Very dirty garbage. I collected this garbage from village river side area. I collected that garbage from this riverside area. এখান থেকে আমি আবর্জনাগুলো সংগ্রহ করেছি. Friends, and a bag in my hand. This all garbage threw in this bag. Let's go. One hand camera, one hand bag, very difficult. Very dirty product, polluted garbage. I always save the nature area, riverside area. I always clean the nature. I always collected polluted garbage from nature. So I collected polluted garbage again from nature. Friends, all dirt in this bag. Now stop this bag. Friends, stop this dirt bag. Now this dirt bag threw in the village used dustbin. Let's go. Friends, this village used dustbin, গ্রামের ব্যবহৃত dustbin. This dirt bag threw in this village used dustbin. Thank you so much, friend, and this was my nature cleaning mission in Sunday morning.